Hello, I'm Lesley Logan, and today we're doing the Russian splits on the reformer. Gotta be honest, these are my favorite splits. I love them. They feel so strong when I'm doing them, and they are so much help in so many exercises that you wish you were doing well. They'll help you with your snake and twist. They will help you with your tree. They'll help with your one-leg elephant. They're super, super great. So 2 heavy springs on. I have a pad here on the headrest. The headrest is up, and you're gonna start standing with your heels together, toes apart on the carriage. You place 1 foot back. It's at a, it's turned out, so the heel is on the horizontal bar and the ball of the foot is on the vertical bar. And then I put my arch across the crease of the headrest and I come out into a lunge. And then I reach my front foot forward and back from my hamstring. So it's like I'm doing a hamstring curl to close the spring. I'm not letting the spring close me, right? And my arms are reaching for my back. This leg is working really hard. Now I get to here where I'm in a 90 degree with my knee. Reach the arms forward. They could be forward. They could be behind the head. And I push my head into my hands and I try to lift my stomach off my thigh as I push forward and back again. Again, keeping the heel from going past the knee. And then you close the spring and move your heel into the crease. Stand on both legs a lot. Lift your ribs up, push out, and then lift your center to pull in. Now, a lot of people like to unsquare their hips, but keep your hips square and just go as far as you can, staying in both legs, really pushing with that back leg. Then push both feet down and lift your center up, 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 up to close the spring. So my arms aren't doing anything. They're just there as a kickstand. Out, and then lift the center up and close the spring. You hop your front foot back, your foot bar foot down, you switch, and you go out into that lunge, and same thing. So you're doing about 3 to 5 of each variation. That back foot is working harder than you think from your seat, and then you're not in your lower back because you're lifting up through your center. You find the length and strength of the full body here. So as I go out, I'm not falling into the spring. I'm actually reaching both legs into the carriage and the foot bar to push out, and then pushing down into them to close. And then close, hop the foot back, other foot down, and come all the way off. It's pretty fun. I hope you enjoy it. And again, really focus on keeping those hips square. They're gonna wanna come on and off. And it's because you're gonna be like, ooh, but look how bendy and flexible I can get. And it's really more of a strength-based exercise. Okay, I hope you enjoy that, and I will see you next time.
Hi, I'm Meredith, and I'm one of the people creating onlinepilatesclasses.com. One of the things that I love most about this project is that we're building the very first free online catalog of Pilates exercise how-to videos. We release 3 new videos each week. People often leave comments asking Lesley to explain a specific exercise, and you can do that too. And if you love watching these videos and believe in the project of creating this catalog, you can support it by joining Lesley every week in her online mat and reformer classes. Just go to onlinepilatesclasses.com/subscribe.